Hello, everybody. It's Cold War Nerd now, actually. Can't say Gulf War Nerd here anymore, so it's Cold War Nerd here. I'm coming to you today tonight, with a little bit of a filler, loadout because I'm gonna be quite honest with you. What's his name? I forgot his name. Who requested the Mogadishu Delta Force kit. I won't have that done until maybe late June. So we're gonna have to hold out on that for a long time. And of course, as you know, I've been writing a book about a Cold War gone hot scenario. So that I'm working on right now. But right now, let's just show a kit that I managed to literally throw together from a box of scraps in a cave. And no, this is not historically accurate. I just kind of took inspiration from a couple things. I'll tell you those couple things. In 1991, during the Gulf War, a Delta Force got deployed to specifically protect General Schwarzoff. And they usually, instead of wearing military uniforms, they wore mostly civilian clothes. So that's what I'm doing. I'm wearing a bomber jacket. I got just a t-shirt on, some jeans. So I'm just going to show you what I would have worn. This doesn't have to be accurate. I mean, nobody you'd see wearing a belt kit. Nobody would be wearing actual equipment. They'd have weapons, but not actual equipment. And the weapon I'm using for my loadout, I could use my M16, but I don't really want to, because I don't have the vests that they had, because they just took some Banana Republic vests, just put those on and then put their M16 mags in there. I don't have one of those yet. Maybe I'll make an updated video if I get one. But let's just take a look. So first, I have some dog tags on. I don't have Army dog tags. These are Marine Corps dog tags. I don't have Army ones yet, since I've focused on the Marine Corps for most of my Cold War stuff. So then I just have this bomber jacket. And what is this bomber jacket covering up? It's just a good old World War II cartridge belt. Now, actually, on this cartridge belt, there's that little back area right there. I was actually planning on putting these two items right here. I was gonna put an IFAK and a M12 holster with a revolver in it on that back portion, but I just decided it wouldn't look good, because then I'd either have to wear my belt over my jacket, or I'd have this big bulge of just equipment sticking out, which, I don't know. Did I mention the dog tag? Oh yeah, I did. Okay. So then, I'm just wearing just a gray t-shirt button up, then on my legs, I'm wearing some jeans. I don't have any of the shoes, because they would have just had, normal, just leather shoes. I don't have normal leather shoes. Closest I have is, Nikes, but these are modern Nikes. They're not period, which wouldn't make any sense. So let's get to the weapon. This is what I spent, I spent 20 minutes customizing this. So this is my M1 carbine. I've edited it to look a little more tactical. So I added tape right here. Let me move the camera up so you can see my face. I added tape right here, grip, for when I'm shooting. Airsoft, by the way, YouTube. Don't take down my videos. I use airsoft, for the love of all that's holy. This thing doesn't even work. The battery's dead in it, too. So, I have tape right here for the grip, in the place where I usually put my grip. That way I can have a better grip than just the straight up wood. It actually had this weird little, hand guard thing that I took off, because it looked weird. I don't know. And then on the magazine itself, I have this tape system. I actually have the same kind of tape on my M16, because I've seen that used actually a lot. It's for better grip when I'm pulling it out of my magazine pouch. And then on the back of the buttstock, I also have tape. It just makes it a little more comfortable. I think I'm going to put more tape around the back as well. But it just makes it more comfortable to have it shouldered. So let's get to the cartridge belt now. Now, I don't have, this cartridge belt. I am pretty sure, actually not I'm pretty sure, I'm confident that this cartridge belt was designed to hold M1, Garand clips. Or actually, it's pronounced Garand, I think. I don't know. The World War II nerds are gonna freaking yell at me in the comments, but okay, who gives a shit. Okay, so this was designed to hold M1, Garand clips, but instead, we're just gonna put M1 carbine, magazines in it. So actually, they wouldn't go this way, because then that would defeat the whole purpose of the tape. It would actually go the way around. Now, see, the paradox here can't fit in the pouch without it sticking out. So, since this is my own Delta Force kit, and I'm not specifically restricting myself to what the actual Delta guys had, because the actual Delta guys had to, like, fully keep their civilian stuff. They couldn't have dog tags or this. They didn't even have bomber jackets. They just had, like, a polo and a vest. So, instead, what I'm going to do, so that no civilian can see, or a Rocky Sniper can see that I have ammos, I'm going to put it in here. That way, well, I should probably move it back a pouch, that way, if I'm moving, my jacket doesn't really flash my ammunition too much. Okay, so now, if I'm just standing here, oop, something just fell. But now, if I'm just standing here, does it look like I have ammunition? No, it doesn't, right? That's the point. Or I guess I can just, my bomber jacket has these pockets, I guess I can just, like, shove a mag in here. But, actually, no, that would look a little bit better and more easier to just go. But, you know, just in case I have the cartridge belt, I don't actually have an M1 Garand. Who knows, I might actually post my Amazon shopping list. But I don't have a P.O. box, so you guys couldn't send me anything. My friends could, because they know my address, but normal people wouldn't, because I don't have a P.O. box that I can say. I'm not going to say my address, you fucking pedophiles. Anyway. Now I'm censored on, YouTube, like, 50 times because I mentioned pedophiles. But, anywho, what else can I show you guys? What else can I show you guys just for shits and giggles? I mean, I haven't really done anything with most of my kits recently. I mean, I'm still waiting on my, I'm still waiting for my birthday. That's why I said late June. My birthday's on June 29th. So, I'm still waiting for that time of, the year to come, which it's approaching. Still just waiting, though, for that to come so I can get some stuff. But, yeah, then I guess we'll have your, my Delta Force, my full, Mogadishu Delta Force, or no, not Delta, oh wait, no, actually, yeah, Delta Force. I was thinking of the Army Rangers for a second. But I mean, yeah, that's kind of what I gotta show you. I mean, oh yeah, I could show you guys something. Actually, no, I'll save that for a separate video, because that's kind of like a family heirloom that I got, that I actually kind of want to show y'all. But, alright. Goodbye, people. I guess I'll leave now. Goodbye. I'll post something else sometime soon. Where should we send you today? Let's see. Where should I send you, goobers? Let's think. Like and sub. Please sub. I need more subs. I'm at like 15 right now. Just give me some more subs, please. Also, if you notice, the camera quality improved because I got a new computer. This one's actually HP instead, which is pretty damn cool. Okay. Sub, or I will send you into the middle of the Kuwaiti desert wearing, like, full thermal gear. You know what I mean? Like, equipped as if you're going to the Antarctic, but you're in the middle of the Kuwaiti desert in summer, too. Yeah. And you can't take the thermal gear off until you reach, like, Kuwait City. That sounds like torture. That is torture. Good luck, everyone. I don't know why I'm saying that. It sounds like a threat. Just like and subscribe. Actually, if I reach 50 subs by the end of, like... If I reach 50 subs by my birthday, which is June 29th, I will just, like, record myself downing, like, an entire, like, 2 packets of MRE salt. Just, like, downing the whole thing. Speaking of MRE salt, I made an MRE while on a video call with somebody, and I put a single salt packet in, and the entire dish tasted like shit. It was the meatball and marinara one. That was horrible. Also, speaking of MREs, don't drink the fucking orange electrolyte powder. It is battery acid. One of the only ingredients on there is a freaking, like, what's it called? Citric acid. It is horrible. Don't make the same mistake I did. Goodbye. I'll fuck off now. Good.